Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to catch mussel in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you my fish observation. And I'm going to show you where you can exactly catch the mussel. Okay, this is the mussel information. And basically, you can catch this mussel from the Suburban Lake. And for the weather, you can catch mussel during the rainy days or the rainbow event. And now it's rainbow event, guys. So you can immediately go to the Suburban Lake. I'm already here. This is the Suburban Lake. Let me show you on the map. So there are some places or some spots that you can visit to fish the mussel. And now it's a rainbow event. So just go fishing at the Suburban Lake. Okay guys, and that's how we can catch the mussel in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.